Aquí una foto no chula, ¿no?
아, 너무 sunčilo. Dođi, tu sam te zvala, jel? Joj, čekaj. Stavi to ovako, popas.
Hier maar direct? Ver van?
Right now I'm walking around the tower that's at the northwest corner of the wall, and this is the scene where Daenerys and Sir something, the other night guy, they try to get in. It's the Temple of the Undying or something like that, or Unaging, and then she like disappeared through the wall, but this is the one. They're just caught running around because there are no doors. No doors. Lots of lights. I wonder if they CGI'd them or if they removed them. See, still no doors. Pretty cool. So we spent till sunset on the wall itself. We spent actually maybe 20 minutes past the sunset. The wall actually closes officially at 7, but they just stopped letting people in at 7. And you can actually stay on the wall a bit longer. The catch is someone from town actually, we think he gets up, someone from the cafe, working at a cafe told us that he gets on the wall, starts walking counterclockwise, and he starts locking some of the gates so nobody else can come through and you can't kind of continue onward. Our theory is he gets up, he gets in somewhere on the east side, and what he does is starts walking counterclockwise and he flushes people out. So if you are on the south end, you can actually stay there till, I don't know, 2 kilometers. I heard he's an older man going up a lot of stairs. But you can stay there till 8 o'clock, we heard. So if you want to watch the sunset, stay away from the northeast corner and you should be good. He may not be able to flush you away, so stay towards the southwest, but you get better views anyway. The interesting thing with this trip to the wall is that, like, even back to 2014, the wall is quite busy, and I guess there's always lines to get in and everything, and people are trying to sell pre-tickets, and I don't know, it's just a crazy thing. And Tina said the wall was packed when she was here last October. And if you get so unlucky that a cruise boat is there, that you are just gonna be like, I don't know, single file line down some of those little corridors. But we had it wide open. I mean, I guess in a way COVID was good for us for that part. So hopefully when you go, you get as good an experience, but we'll have to see. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get a chance to head out to Dubrovnik and see the wall yourself and enjoy it as much as I did. This was my first video entirely in 4K, just because the first little bits of seeing everything, I felt it really deserved it. And I mean, they do such a good job keeping everything maintained that you really deserve to see it in 4K. I'm heading back to my room now. There's a lot of workers and restaurants in the way. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. There'll be 7 more Croatia videos coming up because we still have at least a month and a half to travel around. And then we'll hit Germany and then travel specifically inside Germany. We're not going to leave the country once we get there because of the whole COVID thing. New restrictions might pop up if you go anywhere. And plus, it's generally just safer in Germany as far as all that goes. Today, we're going to head up to Fort Lovranek, something like that. But that comes included, the entry to that comes included with the ticket to the wall. So we're gonna go there. I'm gonna spend a couple hours there. And then we're gonna go climb, I think someone called it Mount Sur, S-Y-R. We're gonna go up there for sunset tonight. And that'll be a video in itself. But I will talk to you later. Bye. That's a big fuzzy cat. Oh, why are you looking at me? Okay. Here's our door to safety. Gotta unlock it. Oh, it was unlocked.